Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Sarah. I'm happy you're here today. Today, you will listen to real English conversations from everyday life in America. In this video, you will follow Anna through a normal day. You will hear conversations at the airport, ordering food, talking at the bank, and speaking English in class. You will also hear Anna talk with her parents. These conversations are slow. They are clear. They are simple. This is real English you can use in your own life. So relax, listen carefully, and learn step by step. Let's begin. Let's go early today.
Why so early? The flight is at 2.
Well, traffic can be really bad near the airport.
Oh, that's true. I didn't think about that.
Especially on Fridays.
You're right. I don't want to miss my flight.
It's better to be safe than sorry.
Okay, let me check in first.
Sure. I'll wait here.
All done. Now let's check the flight board before I head to security.
Good idea. Let's see. Where's your flight?
It's gate B12. Oh no!
What? What happened?
My flight is delayed.
Oh no, how long is the delay?
3 hours.
3 hours? That's a long time.
I know. This is terrible.
At least you didn't miss it.
Yeah, that's true.
Why is it delayed?
It says weather delay.
I see. Is it raining in New York?
Probably. It's winter time over there.
Well, maybe the plane doesn't want you to leave me.
Maybe. Or maybe it's just bad weather.
Are you hungry?
Actually, yes, I'm pretty hungry.
Me too. Let's get some food here in the main hall.
Good idea. What do you want to eat?
I don't know. Let's see what they have. There's a burger place.
In a sandwich shop.
Oh, there's a coffee shop too.
I think sandwiches are a good choice for both of us.
Okay, I'll come with you.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have 2 chicken sandwiches, please?
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, 1 large hot coffee and 1 bottle of water, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
All right. That will be $32.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in about 5 minutes. We'll call your name.
Sounds good.
You shouldn't have paid for mine. It's expensive.
Don't worry about it. It's our last meal together for a while.
That's true. You know what?
What?
At least we have more time together now.
That's true. That's actually nice.
When will you come back to visit me?
I'm not sure yet. International flights are so expensive.
I know. It's a long way from Brazil to the US.
Yeah, I need to save a lot of money first.
So it won't be anytime soon.
Probably not. It might take a year until I can come back.
A year? That's a long time.
I know, but we can video call every day.
Yes, definitely. I will miss you.
Mike, your order is ready.
Oh, that's us. I'll be right back.
It's good. Simple, but good.
Yeah. Airport food is expensive, but it's worth it to spend this time with you.
I agree. Let's enjoy our meal.
Number 19.
That's me.
Hi there. How could I help you today?
Hi, I need some help. I lost my credit card.
Oh no. I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, I think I lost it yesterday.
Do you remember where?
I'm not sure. Maybe at the store?
Okay, no problem. Let me help you.
Thank you.
First, I'll cancel your old card. That way, no one can use it.
Yes, please do that.
Done. Your old card is now canceled.
Thank you. That's a relief.
Now, do you want a new card?
Yes, I need a new card.
Okay, do you want a debit card or a credit card?
What's the difference?
A debit card uses money from your checking account. A credit card lets you borrow money.
Oh, I see. I want a credit card, please.
Great, we have a few options.
What do you recommend?
Well, we have a card with cash back.
Cashback? What does that mean?
You get money back when you use the card. For example, if you spend $100, you get $2 back.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yes, it's a popular card. And there's no annual fee.
No fee? Really?
That's right. Completely free.
Okay, I want that card.
Perfect choice. Let me process this for you. All right, all set.
When will I get the new card?
Your new card will arrive in the mail in 5 to 7 business days.
5 to 7 days. Okay.
Is your address still the same?
Yes, it is.
Great. We'll send it to that address.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Oh, and this is a small gift for you.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind of you.
No problem. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye.
Hi, Etta. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Johnson.
How are you today?
I'm good. Thank you. A little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
Today is the speaking test, right?
Yes, it is. But don't worry. It's just a conversation.
Okay, I'll try my best.
That's all I ask. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. Let's begin. Please sit down. So, let me start with some basic questions.
Okay.
What is your full name?
My name is Anna Silva.
And where are you from, Anna?
I am from Brazil, from São Paulo.
Oh, São Paulo. That's a big city.
Yes, very big. It has many people.
How old are you?
I am 24 years old.
And where do you live now?
I live in a small town about 1 hour from here.
Do you live alone or with someone?
I live alone. I have a small apartment.
How do you like living alone?
It's okay. Sometimes it's quiet, but I'm getting used to it.
That's good. Now, let me ask about your English class.
Sure.
What class are you in?
I am in the beginner English class, level A2.
And how long have you been studying English?
About 6 months now.
6 months. That's good. Do you practice at home?
Yes, I watch TV shows in English and I read simple books.
Excellent. That's very important. Now let's talk about your free time and hobbies.
Okay,
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually stay home on weekends.
What do you do at home?
I cook simple food and I watch movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like animated movies and some dramas.
Me too. Animated movies are fun.
Yes, they help me relax.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like walking and listening to music.
Where do you like to walk?
I like to walk in the park near my house. There are trees and a small lake.
That sounds nice and peaceful.
Yes, it's very calm there.
Do you feel nervous when you speak English?
Yes, sometimes, especially with new people.
That's completely normal. You're doing very well today.
Thank you.
One more question, Anna.
Okay,
What is your dream for the future?
my dream is I want to improve my English. I want to work here in the United States and live a calm, happy life.
That's a beautiful dream. Very good. Now, for the last part, can you give me a short introduction about yourself? Just talk for about 1 minute. Take your time.
Okay, let me think. Hello, my name is Ana Silva. I'm 24 years old and I'm from Brazil. I came to the United States 6 months ago to study and work. Right now, I live in a small town. I live alone in a small apartment. I'm studying English because I want to improve my communication. I'm in the beginner class, but I practice every day. In my free time, I like walking in the park and listening to music. On weekends, I usually stay home and watch movies. I like animated movies the most. My dream is simple. I want to improve my English, find a good job, and live a calm, happy life here in the United States. Thank you.
Very good, Anna. Excellent job.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson.
Your English is improving a lot. Keep practicing every day.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Hello?
Hi, Mom.
Anna. Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
I'm okay, but I feel a little bit lonely today.
Oh, no. Why, dear?
Mike just went home this morning. Having a friend visit and then being alone again, makes me feel sad. I really miss you guys and home.
Is that Anna? Hi, Anna. Don't be sad. You need to stay strong while living by yourself.
I know. Thanks, Dad.
We know it's not easy being there alone. Are you taking care of yourself?
Yes, Mom. I still cook for myself every day. But I really miss your cooking.
Your mom always worries about your food. How was your English speaking test today?
It was okay. It was nervous, but the teacher said I did well.
See, you're doing great. We're very proud of you.
Keep it up. When are you planning to visit us?
Maybe in 3 or 4 months when I have a school break.
We'll be waiting for you. Call us anytime you feel lonely, okay?
I will. I feel much better now. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Good night, honey.
Sleep well. We love you.
Love you too. Bye-bye. That's the end of today's conversations. You listen to real English from real situations in everyday American life. The airport, the bank, the classroom, a phone call home. Nothing special, nothing difficult. Just simple English used naturally. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need clear English. Keep listening. Keep practicing one step at a time. Thank you for learning with me today. See you next time here on Real Talk English.